So here we have a problem where you can't use a one-to-one scale because we have a newspaper carrier who's on her delivery route travels 200 meters due north, and then she walks 300 meters due east. If I want to find the resultant of these two vectors graphically, I can't do it with a one-to-one scale unless I have a giant piece of paper. So they actually have directions here. It says use a scale of 1 centimeter equals 50 meters. Let me show you how to do that. All right. So take your scale and make it into a ratio. We're going to use a ratio to do this. Okay. And so I'm just going to turn that into a fraction. It doesn't matter which ends up where. So 1 centimeter equals 50 meters. That's my scale. All right. And then we're going to set this equal to what we want to do. It's important that the units match. So if we have centimeters on top here, they also need to be on top here. And same with meters. If they're on the denominator over here, they need to be on there. And then, excuse me, I need to draw 200 meters. So if I want to have a 200 meter vector represented in centimeters, I'll put that next to the unit that matches here, and this is our unknown. Okay, at this point you just cross multiply. So I'm just going to say I'm going to drop units because it gets really cluttery. So 50 times x is 50x, and 1 times 200 is 200. And then I'm just going to solve for x. So I'm just going to divide both sides by 50, and I get that x equals 4. So if I want to draw a 200 meter vector, I can do that with a 4 centimeter line. So since x was in centimeters, that's there. And then you do the same exact thing for the 300 meters. And then don't forget, when you're all done, use this same idea to figure out the how big your resultant is at the end.